In this lesson, we're going to use a number line to help us add fractions. So if we have a problem like this one that says, use the number line to help you complete the addition sentence. So you could see this number line goes from 0 to 1, and it's broken down into parts. And this is what we need to figure out how to add. 3 over 10 plus 1 over 10. So we could add this easily because the denominators are the same. Okay? The numerators are not the same. So first step is to notice that the number line starts at 0 and ends at 1, which is what we've noticed already, and that the number line is divided into 10 equal parts. Each part is 1/10. So it's divided into equal parts. Each little step here is 1 over 10, 1 over 10, 1 over 10. So now, step 2, imagine a fraction strip below the number line. And we've added fractions already in other videos using the strips, so you should know how to do it. And if not, take a look at the description. There's a link there to a video of mine that uses the strips to help you add fractions. So this is how the fraction strip looks like. Okay, so each little strip is 1/10, 1/10, 1/10, 1/10. Okay, so it just helps you visualize a little bit more with the number line. So the next step is to start at 3/10 and count forward by 1/10. Okay, because these are the numbers we're working with, 3/10 and 1/10. So start at 3/10. You start here, and then you move over 1/10. And then you end up here at 4/10. So that's the same as having 3 strips filled in and adding 1 more strip. So how does that look? It'll look like this. So we have 3 filled in and adding 1 more strip. So these are the 3/10, these 3, and then you add 1 more, 1/10. So finally, we know that if we add 3/10 plus 1/10, it equals to 4/10. And the easy thing to remember is when you're adding fractions and the denominator is the same, you just add these two numbers together and then you keep the same denominator here. And it's that simple. And don't worry if you don't get this right away. Anyone can do math. And like I said, check out the description. There's other videos of mine that are like this if you need extra help. And please also download the ebook, and you could follow along in the ebook this exact lesson as you watch the video. And please make sure to like and subscribe if you feel you've learned. And thank you so much for listening.